Alright guys, another video from on top of the boat. As you can see, everything has been replaced up here. They had any soft spots anywhere. It definitely needs pressure washed, wet sanded and buffed. But all the windows have been taken out and resealed. The graphics, I guess, would be a good idea to replace the graphics to make it all newish and up to date. This is walking down to one side of the boat. Gibson. Here's the back of the boat. I did open the back window for y'all to see inside. It's been painted gray. Still needs to be finalized and finished up. It used to be called Paradise. And this is walking down the other side of the boat. I do have a window open. Get down to your door. Walk into your door. There's your controls to drive from inside. All the carpet needs replaced. Everything's been painted gray. Update some of the lighting. The back master bedroom still has to be finished. Just in the ceiling, because you can see the electric wires for the air conditioning need to be hooked back up. And then all the little brass lights I was going to change out to new LED lights. But she is a good solid boat. There's your onboard vacuum cleaner and hot water tank and all that. So hopefully this virtual tour helps out.